Good morning, class 5th. How are you all? It's your conversation class. Now I will tell you regarding lesson 6, Rivers of India. Okay, just listen carefully. Teachers, children, do you know about the rivers of India? Children, do you know about the rivers of India? Children, yes ma'am. Here you will see, here is a teacher, she is a teacher, and these are children's. Okay, you will get the name over here. Children says yes ma'am. Again teacher asks, where does Brahmaputra river flow from? Where does Brahmaputra river flow from? Where does it finally fall into? Where does it finally fall into? Nana, ma'am, it flows from the eastern side of the country. It flows from the eastern side of the country. It falls into the Bay of Bengal. It falls into the Bay of Bengal. Teachers, very good Nana. Now answer to a simple question. Okay, which is the largest river of the country? Which is the largest river of the country? Mohit. Yes ma'am, this river is Ganges. This river is Ganges. Now next page. Again teacher, correct Mohit. But do you know which is the largest river of the Northeast Africa? Which is the largest river of the Northeast Africa? Amit, ma'am, that is Kaveri. Teacher, no Ankit, you wrong. That river is Nile. Do you know on the banks of which river is the Taj Mahal situated? Do you know on the banks of which river is the Taj Mahal situated? Naina, yes ma'am. The river is Yamuna. Teachers, okay children, all you have a fairly good knowledge about the rivers, even then you have to learn more about them. Okay children, all of you have a fairly good knowledge about the rivers, even then you have to learn more about them. Children, sure ma'am, we will. Sure ma'am, we will. Okay, here is the lesson going to over, right? You have to just pronounce how to pronounce. Okay, I will tell you here. One is a question. Okay, then you have to just more. You have to do practice over here, where I am telling you like a word this way. All these are same. Answer question. Okay, you have to tell like this way, question. Small s and capital sh. Okay, here once come question only. Question, how will you say question? Okay, otherwise here you can say largest, and this is the simple one, is, right? Again in the next page there is a tough word, I will tell you. Northeast Africa, Northeast Africa. Again, you can find the banks of which river? The banks of which river is the Taj Mahal situated? This one is situated. Okay, you can find out this one situated. This lesson was so simple, so you have to practice a little bit, right? One word come over here, sure. You have to tell like this one, sure, sure, ma'am, sure, ma'am. You have to practice like this way. 5 times you have to just tell sure, 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 sure. Then it will come from your mouth in a easy way. Otherwise it will be tough for you. Okay. Thank you very much. Have a nice day to all of you.